XRP, it's happening. BizBank signaled that Ripple XRP will become the new financial system. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we're going to discuss the Bank of International Settlements. What are its plans regarding the central bank's digital currency? Why is it the top priority? And how Ripple is its part and new financial system? But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
For now, let's get back to the video straight away. What is XRP? XRP is a token used for representing the transfer of value across the Ripple network. Different from Bitcoin, where new coins are created as rewards for participants offering computing power to maintain the blockchain network. Ripple created 100 billion XRP coins at its inception. What makes XRP different? The important difference between the example above and Ripple is that with Ripple, trust relationships are automated on a blockchain that tracks all accounts, balances, and IOUs. This blockchain is the Ripple ledger. Every participant in the network who can send transactions and/or holds XRP is defined as an account. XRP is not coming slow. This digital currency with unique features is leaving all other cryptocurrencies behind. Interestingly, not only leaving behind digital currencies, but also renowned organizations. In all this, the Bank of International Settlements has signaled that Ripple XRP will be the new financial system. We all know that Ripple can replace the banking system, and now this signal by BIS has given another hope to XRP investors. The company was also in a rebranding process, and its products have been already rebranded by now. For instance, XRP-powered XRapid is now on-demand liquidity. Now, Ripple's managing director for Southeast Africa, the Middle East, and North Africa said that the firm is currently pushing hard to replace the financial system, which is decades old and became plagued by all kinds of issues. In a new interview on CNBC, Gupta says part of its plan is to use XRP to reduce the cost of remittance. We are able to use cryptocurrency, XRP, which is a bridge asset, to provide liquidity on demand. One of the reasons remittance are so expensive is because companies use something called pre-funded Nostro accounts, he said. He continued and explained that once that cost is taken away from the financial institutions, that means they can fund on demand. They would be able to provide much better service and cheaper service to their customers. Ripple has been making increased efforts to promote XRP and to replace the traditional payment system, SWIFT, for a really long time, and according to the latest reports, the company is really close to achieving this. Exim Bank already dropped SWIFT for Ripple's products for cross-border payments, and users can enjoy fast, cheap, and safe transactions. An article by news agency Reuters has revealed the delay of the utility settlement coin pending regulatory approval. The project was initiated in 2019 by Finality International, a company created by Banco de Santander, Barclays plc, and Credit Suisse Group AG, among other members, with the financing of £50 million. Former Ripple executive Corey Johnson was disappointed by the announcement. Through his Twitter account, Johnson emphasized the need for banks to introduce changes to the financial system. However, Johnson pointed out that such changes require the intervention of an intermediary to be implemented. In that sense, the mentioned financial institutions joined forces so that Finality could offer the banks the mentioned solution, the utility settlement coin. That way, banks could have access to a platform for digital peer-to-peer arrangements that use cash, but with digital transactions, with some of the world's most important currencies, including the dollar, yen, euro, among others. The company has set out to shape the platform to meet three characteristics. First, the platform will offer multiple currencies so that there is greater efficiency in the management of fragmented liquidity. The platform also will be able to interoperate with other business platforms to support PVP, payment versus payment, or DVP, delivery versus payment transactions. Finally, the funds in the platform are also a tokenization of funds, with a physical backup in central banks to guarantee customers that their operations are secure, and backup with real funds. According to the Reuters article, the utility settlement coin was going to be commercially ready and approved this year. However, it now appears that it could receive a response from regulators in the first half of 2021, according to Ramos Ram, CEO of Finality International. As Ripple's former head of marketing strategy, Johnson is familiar with the company's potential to be an intermediary in cross-border transactions. As CNF has reported, the payment solutions company is working with regulators and policymakers in several governments to enact the adoption of digital payments. One of the most important partners is the founder of the company, Finality, Banco de Santander. Recently, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse caused speculation about possible cooperation with the Central Bank of Europe. The head of the financial institution, Christina Lagarde, published a tweet urging a fast digital transaction. Garlinghouse echoed Lagarde's demands, causing the wave of speculation that followed. Ripple's relationship with banking institutions around the world has been the subject of speculation in the past, although there is still no cooperation that could change the status quo of the current financial system. One is tempted to reference Sun Tzu and Art of War to justify the above statement, but doing so might make it sound like there is a hidden war between the crypto versus the financial system, to the extent of involving global governments. The first way Ripple can change the financial systems from within is the current partnerships the project has with 40 to 50 global central banks and over 100 regular banks and the money remittance service providers. All these institutions use the Ripple products of RippleNet, XRapid, XVia, XCurrent, and XRP in XRapid. Some, like Santander, have proven that XCurrent works for its fast OnePay FX mobile app. Santander has also announced that 50% of its international transactions are handled by Ripple. This means that Ripple products on the blockchain have managed to convince these traditional financial institutions that the Ripple blockchain ledger is the future of cross-border payments. Ripple technology has managed to completely replace SWIFT in some situations mentioned above. Once convinced through Ripple, we might see the same financial institutions, particularly central banks, tokenize their national currencies so as to keep up with the changing technologies brought about by cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. China had earlier hinted about tokenizing the yen after the cryptocurrency hype caught on in the country. What then might happen is a futuristic Blade Runner type of future, where physical hard cash will be obsolete. Imagine that! We shall be walking around with crypto wallets linked to mobile apps and doing all transactions on the blockchain. Hopefully by then, interoperability between the various platforms would have been operational. Also, the chief financial officer at Western Union, Raj Agrawal, revealed in an interview that the company is testing out Ripple's value transfer system to send money across borders. The reveal was expected since there had been much chatter in the cryptocurrency industry that the company is trying out Ripple's infrastructure. A major piece of evidence leading to this conclusion was that Western Union's revenue for 2017 was $1.4 billion, 5% more than the previous year. This improvement must have been due to the adoption of innovative technologies for money transfer. Evidently, Ripple was to thank for the performance. The words revealed in the interview were further confirmed by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. In a statement to Bloomberg, he announced that Western Union had decided to look into using Ripple's infrastructure for money transfer with a focus on international services. He added that factors such as Ripple's speed and low cost of transactions were critical in the altcoin being chosen for this purpose. As expected, the support of such a big mainstream company led to a bullish interest in Ripple XRP cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency seems like it will maintain its performance over the long term. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. Until then, goodbye.